What's up, traders? HUGE FSD Pharma, and we are in the middle of a breakout. So real quick, going back to the pop before, remember, most of these stocks are going to have a pop right before the biggest run. So you see it consolidating right around 153, and then you see a big volume bar. Remember, volume follows price. Price follows volume. So we consolidated into the close and then had a big volume spike today. So once we get this big volume spike, we know that normally the price action is not going to go below where this volume spike started. So we drew the trend lines. It trades in the channel from 170 to 230, pulls back to this trend line 180, and we're looking at resistance around 219, pulling back to 180, and so now we're breaking out. So it's a live trade. We think it has a lot more room to go, and because we look and we see it was at $14 back in June. So hopefully it can break this resistance. Let's go back and look at the daily. Real important that this closes up above the 50, because once it closes below, then it has trouble getting above it. If it closes above, then it will have trouble getting below it. So hopefully this is breaking out. It's pulling back a little bit right now. And as you see these trend lines, these ranges are real, because you see that it tried to break out of this range and pull right back into it. It tries to break out the range and pull right back into it. So trade price, look at the time and sales, look at level 2, the action that you're seeing with support in these bids, on these bids here, because it tries to break down a few times down in the 180 level and it just can't. So that's a good indicator of support. Please like, share, subscribe. If you have any questions, give us a shout. greenwoodstocktrading@gmail.com, and we will see you next time.